Okay guys, for those that are asking for how can they share their referral link, and before I share you my referral link, I quickly want to show you how much I have earned with my FonPay wallet. So you see the commission, how the commission are coming. So you can also know that when you refer people to join your FonPay wallet account, you will also be making money as those people are performing transactions. So let me quickly show you my wallet balance. As you can see, this is my commission. This is my commission, and I've referred about 39 people, and I've spent over 1.9 million naira on this data app, as you can see. So let me quickly take you to my commission and transaction list. So click on this notification icon. Click on that notification icon. I hope you can see it here. Click on this. Yeah. So click on this notification icon, click on it. As you can see, since September 21, 2024, I've been earning money from these people, and that is how the money are coming in from last year, September 21st. So you can see that it is now going about, it will soon be about one year now that I've been using this particular account, and I've referred people so far, and those people that I've referred, they are making use of their accounts ever since I've invited them. So as you can see, someone has paid me 9 naira, someone has paid me 1.95 naira, someone has paid me 12 naira, someone has paid me 97 naira, someone has paid me 92 naira. So let me quickly scroll down. As you can see, so someone has paid me 4 naira, someone has paid me 4 naira. As you can see, the person that paid me 4 naira is September 1. Which is recently, which is yesterday. Someone that paid me 4 naira was on August 26. Someone that paid me 4 naira 20 kobo was August 25. Someone that paid me 2 naira 19 kobo is about August 18. Someone that paid me 4 naira 43 kobo was August 15. Someone that paid me 2 naira 22 kobo is August 12. Someone that paid me 4 naira 43 kobo is July 21. As you can see, let me scroll up again so you can see how far I've make money with this particular application. Someone that paid me 4 naira 43 kobo, someone also paid me 4 naira 43 kobo. I already see 4 naira 43 kobo, 4 naira 43 kobo, 4 naira 43 kobo, 4 naira 43 kobo, just within that 1 month. That's within a month. So assuming that I have a lot of people that are paying me like this, just imagine how much I'll be making in a month. Understand? So as you can see, also I also make about 7,000 naira from this referral commission. That is a paid referral platform. So I also received 3,500 naira from a paid referral platform, as you can see also. So someone paid me 2 naira 92 kobo, someone paid me 2 naira 92 kobo, 3 naira 21 kobo, 2 naira 25 kobo, as you can see. Someone paid me 2 naira 25, 2 naira 23, 2 naira 23, 32, 4 naira 45, 2 naira 29, 5 naira 83. So that is how I keep making money from these people. Just imagine that I have about 1,000 people that is paying me this money. Imagine how much I've been making within a month. So that is why it is important that if you have a system that is paying you automatically, even without your consent, even without you and using the app again, you will continue to be making money for life. Just imagine I've been using this app. Just imagine that I've been using this app 695 kobo, 6 naira 87 kobo, 4 naira 81 kobo, 2 naira 32 kobo, 2 naira and 4 naira 62 kobo, as you can see. So I've been using this app since, let me check the date again, since September 21 last year. Since September last year, I've been using this app, and this app has keep paying me. So this is how this app will keep paying you. If you refer your friends to use this app, that is how you'll be making money on this app. So I hope you also join the system where you begin to make money passively. Even when you are sleeping, you will still keep on making your money. So thank you guys. If you love this video, please ensure that you share this update with people, and also attach your your referral link to people. So let me quickly show you how you can add your referral link. So for you to get your referral link, just click on this referred. So as you can see, scroll down to get this is your referral link. This is your referral link. So once you click on this referral link, your referral link will be copied. Then you can now share your referral link with people that you know, both online and offline. You understand? These are the list of people that I've recruited so far, and this is my referral code. If you need referral code, you can also copy the referral code from here. And so this is how your referral balance looks like, and the number of people that you have invited, which is 39. So please, if you also need to make money online, as far as this country is concerned, we can see that things are very hard and cost in this country. But if you have a system that pays you consistently like this, you will not even lack any money. So all you just have to do is to refer people. Just make sure that you are sharing your link with people. Share your link with people so that you can start making money to them as they are using their wallet. Thank you.